Woo! What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So this is a collaboration of artists that I did not see coming to a realization. Okay? Kasi diba usually nakikita natin Jessica Villarubin, Hannah Priscillas, and then Marian Osabel. Di ko alam kung paano ito na-come up, itong collaboration na to. But I'm very surprised na merong ganito. Katrina Velarde, Jessica Villarubin, Thea Ashley, and Chloe Redondo. Hindi ko in-expect, and I never once thought about this collaboration. So anyway, this happened sa Music Museum last May 9. This is going to be Regine Velasquez medley. So these are singers na known for their powerful vocals. Powerhouses tong mga to. So if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. Okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Ooh. Si Thea ang nauna. Parang video okay ah. Grabe si Miss Katrina. Oh. Woo! Sing, Thea. Beautiful. Beautiful harmony. Galing ng alteration ni Thea doon, ha? Yan yung gusto ko. Yung ayaw magpakabog ba? Bardagulan talaga. Chloe?
Ma! Cadbury na sa sari-sari store, oh.
Nice. Galing. Nice. Ganda ng voice control ni Chloe, ah. Grabe naman. Veteranang veterana. Iba talaga isang Katrina Velarde. Oof. Galing. Ito malupit. Jessica Villarubin. Ito talaga. Bardagulan to. For sure. Di mapakali yung audience, ah. What? Galing talaga ni Miss Katrina, oh. Grabe naman si Miss Katrina. Ooh. Ito, may reprise to. Grabe si Jessica. What? Okay. Okay, eto how do I say this? Okay, eto na lang. I have to be very honest and real with you guys. If I were to say this, if I were, no offense, no offense, but, you know, kitang-kita natin kung gaano kamama si Miss Katrina. And if this was a competition, nilamon niya yung tatlo. Okay? I have to be very real. Okay? But I'm not saying na hindi magaling yung tatlo. Okay? Or they did not do their best. They did. Okay? Siguro dahil sa sobrang veterana ni Miss Katrina, she has the supporting role dito sa performance na to. Siya yung nag-harmonize, siya yung nag-a-adjust, di ba? And she's letting the young ones shine talaga sa kanilang mga parts. But for some reason, dahil sa sobrang galing niya, and yung mga maning-mani na mga high notes na binirit niya, man, talagang OMG, no? Kanina nga yung last kay Jessica and kay Miss Katrina, I know that Jessica is so good, but because of what Miss Katrina was doing, no, sa kanyang supporting role, and may mga konting ballet and drum siya na ginawa, napapatingin talaga ako kay Miss Katrina, and I am just in awe of her skills, no? Ang kanyang talent talaga. She's a force to be reckoned with. Talagang, man. Ang galing. And itong si Chloe, masasabi ko, very emotive na storyteller, no? May vocal control talaga. Ito naman si Jessica, man. Pag sinabi mong ano talaga, no? In terms sa mga, like, biritera sa Queendom, lahat naman sila nakakabirit. Marian can beat it. Hannah can beat it. Thea can beat it. Sino pa ba? Si Julianne can beat it. But for some reason, Jessica has that yung parang extra power behind her voice na bardagulan talaga. And Thea is like, ano lang, very chill si Thea for me. She's also a very good storyteller. Pero for some reason, ano siya, soothing yung boses niya. Soothing, and I really love her vibrato. No? Yan yung stand out sa kanya for me, yan yung stand out kay Thea, yung vibrato niya. And I love how she did not force her performance, no, na parang just to be like a level higher than her usual self, na gagawin ko to kasi andito si Miss Katrina, ano to parang ano to show to na talagang I have to impress everybody. And I just love how she did not force anything, no, sa performance niya, and she just did her usual self, no, na talagang this is me, I'm Thea, this is how I sing, and I'm gonna give you guys the Thea style, no. So yeah, that's it, and hope you guys enjoy that one, and I hope you got my point, yung sinabi ko about kay Miss Katrina na parang nilamon silang tatlo. No? I hope you get the positive side of it instead of mag-focus kayo dun sa phrase or sa line na nilamon silang tatlo. Okay? I hope you get the point that I was trying to convey. Okay? So anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. And again, mag-subscribe kayo kung bago kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel. Okay? Peace!